So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem of GitHub notifications crashing in your email. If you don't know, the GitHub notification pushes on your email and literally floods your email. So in order to control that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the github.com and log in with your credentials. Once you do that, go to your profile icon on the top right corner. When you click there, you're going to find this option which says setting. Just simply go to the settings. Once you go there, here you need to go to this option of notification. Just simply tap on notification. Now the settings of notification have been opened right in front of you. Here you need to scroll until you find this option which says currently watching. There are three different parts of notifications here, and all over all over the GitHub settings. Now in this subscription section, you can see your email subscribed for the notifications from GitHub. Now here wherever it says email, you're gonna see it under the comma it says email. Just simply go over there and uncheck the email and hit save. Again hit uncheck the email and hit save. Now these notifications will now not flood your email, and you're gonna enjoy the GitHub very well. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.